Sequin Spider! Welcome, young explorers, to another amazing adventure with the dazzling Sequin Spider, nature's very own living jewel that sparkles like tiny stars in the rainforest night. Welcome to Fun Animals for Kids. Today we're diving into the magical world of one of nature's most beautiful arachnids, perfect for kids who love learning about extraordinary creatures. The sequin spider gets its name from the spectacular shimmering spots on its abdomen that look just like sequins sewn onto a fancy dress. These beautiful spiders belong to the Thwaites genus, and scientists sometimes call them mirror spiders or sequin spiders because their bodies are decorated with these amazing reflective patches. Young explorers, can you imagine walking through a rainforest and suddenly seeing tiny diamonds hanging in the air? That's what it looks like when sunlight hits these spectacular creatures. The sequins are actually made of guanine crystals under their skin that reflect light like tiny mirrors. These spiders are quite small, usually measuring less than a quarter-inch long, making them a short little creature that's easy to miss if you're not looking carefully. But what they lack in size, they make up for in beauty and fascinating behaviors. Now let's talk about where these amazing spiders live and how they hunt. Let's travel together to the natural habitats where sequin spiders make their homes. These remarkable arachnids love tropical and subtropical environments, especially in countries like Australia and parts of Asia. They thrive in lush rainforests where the humidity keeps their delicate bodies comfortable. The dense vegetation gives these spiders plenty of places to build their intricate webs and hide from predators. The life of sequin spiders is full of wild adventures for such tiny creatures. Each day is a survival story as they navigate their forest world, building webs between leaves and branches. These webs aren't just homes but also sophisticated hunting tools. When it comes to hunting methods, sequin spiders are patient predators. They wait motionless on their webs until an unsuspecting insect flies or crawls too close. Then, with lightning speed, they rush forward to capture their prey. Their diet consists mainly of small flying insects like mosquitoes and flies, making them helpful in controlling pest populations. Fun fact for kids learning about spiders. Sequin spiders can change how bright their sequins appear. When threatened, they can make their reflective patches expand, creating a dazzling light show that might confuse predators. This is one of their clever defense mechanisms that helps keep them safe in the wild. The communication between sequin spiders happens mostly through vibrations. They can feel even the tiniest movements on their webs, which tells them if a mate, a predator, or dinner has arrived. This sensitivity to vibration shows the intelligence these small creatures possess. Let's talk about how sequin spiders create families. Female spiders are typically larger than males and take charge of building nests for their eggs. A mother spider will wrap her eggs in a silken sac and guard them carefully until they hatch. When the baby spiders, called spiderlings, emerge, they look like tiny versions of their parents, complete with miniature sequins that will grow larger as they develop. Sequin spiders play a fascinating role in their ecosystems. These small hunters help control populations of insects that might otherwise become too numerous. They are part of the natural balance that keeps forests healthy and thriving. Additionally, their silk is incredibly strong and versatile, used for building webs, capturing prey, and even creating their homes. Young explorers, did you know that despite their beauty, sequin spiders play an important role in their ecosystems? These small hunters help control populations of insects that might otherwise become too numerous. They're part of the natural balance that keeps forests healthy and thriving. The silk that sequin spiders produce is incredibly strong for its size, even stronger than steel of the same thickness. Scientists are studying spider silk to create new materials that could help people in many ways, from stronger climbing ropes to medical stitches. Throughout history, spiders have captured human imagination. While some people might feel scared of spiders, Learning about amazing species like the sequin spider can help children understand that these creatures are important and fascinating parts of our world. Throughout history, spiders have captured human imagination. While some people might feel scared of spiders, learning about amazing species like the sequin spider can help children understand that these creatures are important and fascinating parts of our world. Fun animal stories about spiders often appear in tales from cultures around the globe. In some stories, spiders are clever tricksters, while in others, they're patient teachers showing the value of hard work as they spin their webs. The sequin spider, with its jewelry-like appearance, would surely be the star of any spider story. When we learn about creatures like the sequin spider, we discover how diverse and wonderful our planet really is. Educational content for kids helps build appreciation for even the smallest creatures in our world. Let's watch as our sequin spider starts its day with the morning dew collecting on its web like tiny crystal balls. Each droplet reflects the sunlight, creating a dazzling display that looks like a diamond necklace strung between the leaves. Our spider moves carefully across this sparkling structure, its own body flashing with colorful light as it goes. As evening approaches, the sequin spider becomes more active. This is prime hunting time. Watch how it sits in the center of its web, front legs extended to feel for vibrations. When a moth flutters too close, our spider springs into action. With precise movements, it quickly wraps its prey in silk before enjoying its evening meal. During rainy seasons, these clever spiders build their webs under broad leaves that act like umbrellas, keeping them dry and comfortable. This shows how adaptable and smart these tiny creatures can be. Human interaction and conservation. The relationship between humans and sequin spiders is mostly one of distant admiration. These spiders prefer to stay in their natural habitats far from human homes. They aren't dangerous to people, with venom designed only to subdue tiny insects. So while we can enjoy learning about them on YouTube channels like Fun Animals for Kids, they're happiest when left to sparkle in their forest homes. Sadly, like many rainforest creatures, sequin spiders face threats from habitat loss as forests are cleared. By learning about these amazing animals, children can grow up understanding why protecting wild spaces is so important for all the creatures that call them home. Did you know that some people consider seeing a spider to be good luck? In many cultures, spiders symbolize creativity, patience, and hard work. The sequin spider, with its beautiful appearance, might especially represent the unexpected beauty that can be found when we take the time to look closely at nature. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of the sequin spider. We hope you've learned something new and exciting. Remember, nature is full of wonders waiting to be discovered. So go out there, explore, and who knows, you might just find your own little piece of magic. Young explorers, as we come to the end of our journey with the sequin spider, let's take a moment to appreciate these incredible creatures. From their dazzling appearance to their important role in nature, these tiny spiders remind us that amazing things often come in small packages. The world of animals is full of surprising treasures just waiting to be discovered. Each creature, no matter how small, has value in nature's grand design. By learning about animals like the sequin spider, kids develop curiosity and respect for all living things. Our adventures through the animal kingdom help children understand the incredible diversity of life on our planet. These educational stories encourage young people to become caretakers of our Earth and all its inhabitants, from the largest elephants to the tiniest sparkling spiders. So, young explorers, keep your eyes open for the magic that surrounds you every day. There are countless animal adventures waiting for you to discover. Join us next time on Fun Animals for Kids for another exciting journey into the amazing world of wildlife. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun, educational videos designed specially for kids who love learning about animals. Every creature has a story to tell, and we can't wait to share more of them with you. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep appreciating the wonderful wild animals that make our world such an exciting place.